Oh, hey Nelson, I'm testing out my new camera. No. You're the first person on my new camera. Yeah, it's got a whole bunch of shit on it too.
Flash, microphone.
Yeah, microphone, flash. Do you want to have a look at that, or you quit? You're just gonna take her ease? Oh, I apologize. I apologize. But yeah, well, I guess let's just go have a look, and then I'll turn my light on and we'll test it out. Oh, we don't have very much vision. Oh, and we still have very little vision. Eh? We still have very little vision. We should grab that, grab that big light, maybe. It's probably more better. Yeah, you can't even see. It's just nonsense. That's way more better. We could like traipse around with the... Careful, Nelbert. Don't trip. You're gonna be just pissed. Oh, you're gonna be just pissed. You're gonna be so pissed. It's this thing right here. But see, like the light, you know, just these two guys there, and all this seems to be copacetic, right? I mean, it's not even a big deal to remake those lines or whatever, but
that looks pretty straightforward. And a little more access than some. Yeah, the lines look pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Should get one of those tube benders one day. You know, do a nice tight turn like that.
Yeah, I got one. I gotta go and put my movie live. Do you want to tear that out of there?
Right now?
Yeah. What do you think? Shouldn't be too big of a deal, eh? What'd you find out, Nelbert? You need those fancy wrenches?
I got some line wrenches.
Yeah, man. How you doing?
Not too bad. Sorry, I feel like such a dumbass. So I got home and I like looked at my other fender and immediately I saw the rounded edge to it and I was like, oh, there's no way this is gonna...
What year is yours?
2003. Yeah, all the parts went on completely fine. It's just a different headlight style. Yeah, they have their rounded.
So you're just gonna take the other fender then?
Yeah, if that was
Right on.
like, it was like just like whichever left side. And then I figured out the mirrors. It's pretty easy.
Yeah. Did you bring a light?
Yeah, I got light. And this guy, he was checking to see if it was okay if he used his light bar. He has like a light bar on the front of the truck.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
But you can just have that. You do good work, Nelson. See this one too? You can see yourself in it on the front.
Oh yeah.
Now you can make your own appliance. But then I don't have to play grab ass trying to see if you're in the shot, you know what I mean? Did you put that there?
Yep.
Oh, I thought there was a free 10 mil in there. Scores, eh?
Yeah, I took that for battery.
I apologize. What do you want, fender off this one?
It does, yeah. Just the one on this side, it doesn't have any, like, it's just like a little bit of surface rust, which I guess I'm going to repaint it anyway, so it just looks like it's in a lot better shape.
What do you give me?
I was going to see if you'd take 50 for the mirrors in this one. Pull these guys out.
You really did.
There we go. That's nice.
Looks like a good one. That's my good one, buddy. He really is. Hopefully. Oh, don't forget my wrenches. Oh, Nelson, you'll get a stern talk. Some terrible. There we go. Good one. So there's the problem. We got the brake lights on big time. Gotta get Nelson to fix it. Hopefully Nelson can fix it. Oh. Look at this, boys, eh? We got a truck in the shop. What happened? Been a minute. Been a minute since we had a truck in the shop, buddy. Oh, great.
Something else to change that. Or the other one seemed to work.
It's set right here too. A little crusty, but as long as they hold it up. Is that better?
Yeah.
Decent. Oh, now you need all those fucking tools again, Nelson. Don't you, buddy? If we get this fixed tonight, we'll be able to fix all type of more stuff tomorrow, buddy. Should I drop that down there?
I need to smoke now.
Buddy, only halfway there. Uh-oh, which one was the new one now? Gasser and diesel, same. So hopefully it'll just go together lockety splops. Lokety splosits, eh? Well, let me know what you think of the new camera, how much of my money I wasted. Eh? Look at that. Just f***ing fits right in there, buddy. Now you gotta get that bolt back in. Son of a bitch. You mad at me?
I say just get the lines in, try it out, see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure this one will work. If it doesn't, then there's probably some other issue, electrical or something. But... Alright, smoke time.
Okay, get a cigarette up, you buddy. You deserve it. Real bad. Also, this is great. Change that part. Still has it's still dipped. So Nelson mad me. Freaking outside having a cigarette. Freaking. I thought for sure, like, what else could it possibly be? Unless it's my whole flagellator, unless my whole brake flagellator, which would be awesome. Look, that'll just come right out of there, easy peasy. Okay? But Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's buggered and sticked. And the way she goes, it's probably what it is. Eh? New customs, but anyways, new camera. Oh, I can sound myself. I can sound myself, make sure I'm in the movie. But anyways, we'll have another crack at her tomorrow, I suppose, and see what kind of nonsense we can daunt us.